Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 10, 2023, 5-star Sudoku. Column H and 7th row, we get pair numbers 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. 9th row, 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, then 9 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8, it will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. Then 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 8, it will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. Then column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 9, it will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 4. Third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, then 4 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5, it will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. Third grade, remaining numbers we will confirm later. 5th row and 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Third row, 4th row, we have 4. Column C also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, then 9 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8, it will come in any one of these cells, we confirm later. 4th row, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Then only one number is remaining, 2, 2 is confirmed here. 7 and 9 will confirm later. Column F and 4th row, we have pair numbers 7 and 9. So 7, 9 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. Second row, third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8, it will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2, 1, 6. Second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 8. It will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 6. 8th row, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 3, 8. Column B, 9th row, 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 8th grade, column of 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 6. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in one of these cells, we'll confirm later. Column B, on 7th row and 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then in column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 8. 7th grade, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then in column D, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. The 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column B, and 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 6th row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 7th row, so 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 3rd row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. And 2nd row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, only one number is remaining, 5. Or 5 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 6th grade, column H, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.